សួស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាសូមស្វាគមន៍មកកាន់ YouTube channel Dara.
Oh, hello everyone. Nice to be back again, man. It is on my way back from work home. Today I'm very happy to shoot a short videos. I think this is going to be a short video talking about the using of adverb of frequency in Khmer. Okay, so this afternoon on my way home, I'm going to help you learn some of the adverb of frequency in Khmer. So the first one that I want to help you learn is usually or normally in Khmer. So usually or normally in Khmer we say thomada, thomada. Example in a sentence like thomada ខ្ញុំទៅធ្វើការម៉ោង 8 ធម្មតាខ្ញុំទៅធ្វើការម៉ោង 8 Okay, I hope this one is clear to you. The next one is never, but never. So there are two ways of saying never in Khmer. They say មិនដែល or មិនធ្លាប់ អត់ដែល or អត់ធ្លាប់ So you use this one after subject like I never go to comport. In Khmer we say ខ្ញុំមិនដែលទៅ or ខ្ញុំអត់ដែលទៅ comport. ខ្ញុំអត់ដែលទៅ comport. ខ្ញុំអត់ដែលទៅ comport. បាទ every, the word every you can put like every day, every week. Roll, បាទ roll. In Khmer we say roll. Like I go to work every Monday. You would say ខ្ញុំទៅធ្វើការរាល់ថ្ងៃច័ន្ទ So roll is at the end. ខ្ញុំទៅធ្វើការរាល់ថ្ងៃច័ន្ទ So roll. The next one is once in a while. you ម្ដង បាទ you ម្ដង So ខ្ញុំទៅកំពង់ស្ពឺ you ម្ដង So you put it at the end of the sentence with once in a while. Okay, adverb of frequency. Once in a while, once in a while. You ម្ដង So ខ្ញុំទៅកំពង់ស្ពឺ you ម្ដង Okay. The next one is rarely. Like I rarely go to the movie. So ខ្ញុំកំរ So the word rarely is កំរ បាទកំរ ខ្ញុំកំរទៅមើលកុន I rarely go to the movie. ខ្ញុំកំរទៅមើលកុន បាទ So ខ្ញុំកំរទៅមើលកុន Okay. Next one is like one per day. Like per day ម្ដង បាទម្ដង បាទម្ដង two times ពីរដង So ខ្ញុំរៀនខ្មែរមួយអាទិត្យពីរដង បាទខ្ញុំរៀនខ្មែរមួយអាទិត្យពីរដង I learn ខ្មែរ two times per week បាទខ្ញុំរៀនខ្មែរមួយអាទិត្យពីរដង ខ្ញុំរៀនខ្មែរមួយអាទិត្យពីរដង So ពីរដង So ដង is like time. So ម្ដងពីរដង something like that. So ម្ដង like one time and two times is ពីរដង not ពីរម្ដង So ពីរដង two times ពីរដង Okay. So what else adverb of frequency that you usually use? Sometimes people use always. Always. So always in Khmer we say តែងតែ I always go to play ping pong. So you use this one after subject, right after subject. So ខ្ញុំតែងតែ ខ្ញុំតែងតែលេងពីងប៉ុង ខ្ញុំតែងតែលេងពីងប៉ុង បាទខ្ញុំតែងតែលេងពីងប៉ុង បាទខ្ញុំតែងតែលេងពីងប៉ុង Okay, so guys, this is a short video. I hope this short video will help you learn the adverb of frequencies in Khmer. Okay, like the word often or more often, we don't really use it very much. Sometimes we use like time expression, like once in a while, 3 days per week, something like that. Okay, so I hope this short video will help you learn adverb of frequency in Khmer. So អរគុណច្រើនបាទជម្រាបលា bye bye